Hi, this is Teacher Jessica from Got to Learn Preschool, and I am coming to you today to unveil our new Got to Learn learning kits that are going to be shipped out to all of our newly enrolled families. I'm so excited to be unveiling these to you, and I can't wait for you to see what all is inside. So I'm going to be starting by unboxing it, just as you would see when you receive it in the mail to your home and residence. So first, let's go ahead and take a look. You will be getting a sturdy cardboard box that's going to be holding all of your student supplies that they will be able to use for the duration of the term and session that they are participating in our preschool. So let's go ahead and take a look. Please note that when you open your box, the first thing you will notice is a lot of the supplies and swag that you can find inside of your Got to Learn kit. The first thing that I want to show you is your Got to Learn tote bag. This is a large bag that you will be able to store all of your goodies, all of your supplies in for the day. It's just going to be a great accessory for you to carry around inside or outside of the home. And I can't wait for you and your students to be able to use it to their imagination. Perhaps when we do our letter of the day, they can start finding things around the home that they can show you and tell you about that begin with that letter. So the possibilities are endless for your Got to Learn preschool tote. The next thing we have is your child's very own Got to Learn Kids mask. Oh, I'm so excited about these. We are living in very unique times where leaving your house without a mask is almost as bad as leaving your house without your keys and your cell phone, all of the important things that you need. So your child has their very own mask. Now, this is a child-sized mask, but if you are an adult and are wanting to purchase one for yourself, in the near future, our website will have all of these items available for you. Next, we have your child's very own Got to Learn preschool t-shirt. Oh, these are so neat, so comfy. I love the color. This will not be a shirt that you will lose around the house. You will be able to remind your child of our spirit days where we will all be wearing our t-shirts together in class and just having it for any events that we do together. And of course, wearing it whenever you see fit. So excited for those Got to Learn preschool shirts. And I can't wait to rock mine when the time comes for all of us to wear them together. The next thing that you're going to see inside of your Got to Learn preschool learning kit is a zipper pouch. Now, inside of this zipper pouch, you will find all kinds of just supplies that you will need on a daily basis that you don't want to have separated, but they're all inside of your zipper pouch. We've got scissors, 2 glue sticks, pencils, crayons, a pencil sharpener, and a marker to go with your dry erase board, which is at the bottom of the box, and we will get to that shortly. You will also find a set of watercolors that are already shrink wrapped and ready for your child to begin exploring and painting and mixing colors. Your student will receive 2 Play-Doh containers. Now, these are mini Play-Doh containers, but feel free to add to your Play-Doh collection as you see fit. There is a pack of colored pencils for any of your art time, as well as a pack of markers. The next thing you will see is a baggie of manipulatives. Now, as you continue on with our preschool, of course, our supplies will continue to grow, but in this first session, we will be using counting bears to hone in on the skill of one-to-one correspondence, sorting, grouping, comparing. All kinds of different activities can be done with your manipulatives of bears. Next, you will see a sea life creature. Have some fun, do some STEM activities with your child. This sea live creature can be placed in water, and after a matter of a few days, it will double, maybe even triple in its size. So I can't wait for you to show me what your sea life creature is doing after you have placed it in water. Of course, what is a learning kit without bubbles? Gotta have fun with bubbles and free time at home. You will find a yellow eraser, and that is going to be paired with your dry erase board as well as your dry erase marker. Now please note that this is a two-sided dry erase board, so the amount of writing that can be done, you can add to it, and it is two-sided, as I mentioned. Next, you will find a composition book. Lots of pages for early writing opportunities. At least 70 sheets for your child to write, draw, have a science notebook and journal. We will be working in those just as your leisure or as we go through our session together. Lastly, at the bottom of your kit is a folder, and inside you will find handwriting sheets and construction paper. What is preschool without handwriting practice and construction paper for arts and crafts and all kinds of fun activities? And then, of course, the folder to hold it all and store it all inside. Now, I do recommend that if you have a laminator at home, take maybe just a couple of these handwriting sheets, place them two-sided, back to back, and you can laminate these for more durability and for a longer lasting opportunity with your handwriting sheets. These are great for teaching your child how to write their name, practicing numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters, and again, just so many different possibilities as we are working on our handwriting skills. All right, so that is all that is included in our learning kit. I really appreciate you for taking the time out to consider enrolling your child in Got to Learn Preschool. Remember, there's no concern, just gotta learn. And I can't wait to see your student at our next class time.